Hi everyone, I'm Anya. This is your Cricket Tips Daily News brought to you today by Win-Win, where we bring you all the biggest stories from the IPL as they happen. Rajasthan Royals captain, Sanju Samson, is facing a fitness setback after sustaining a rib injury during their recent Super Over defeat to Delhi Capitals on April 16. In the sixth over of the Royals' innings, Samson hit a 4 and a 6 off the first two balls from spinner Vipraj Nigam. However, on the third delivery, while attempting another attacking shot, he appeared to suffer a strain in his left rib. The 30-year-old was seen in discomfort and immediately began stretching. The physio was called in, and Samson took pain medication. He briefly resumed batting but soon retired hurt and walked off the field, raising concerns about a potential injury layoff. Post-match, Samson provided a brief update, stating, "It looks better than before. I was just not in a condition to come back and bat. We will do a test tomorrow and see how my injury is." The Royals' next match is scheduled for Saturday, April 19, against Lucknow Super Giants at Savai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur. With just 2 wins in 7 matches, Rajasthan Royals are currently 8th on the points table. Their playoff hopes hinge on a strong comeback, requiring them to win at least 6 of their remaining 7 league stage matches. As of now, it's uncertain whether Samson will be fit for the upcoming match. The team and fans will be hoping for a speedy recovery to bolster their playoff aspirations. Delhi Capitals bowling coach, Munaf Patel, has been fined 25% of his match fee for breaching the IPL Code of Conduct during the team's recent match against Rajasthan Royals. The incident occurred when Patel engaged in a heated argument with the on-field umpires over a contentious decision. This marks his first breach of the Code of Conduct in his coaching tenure. Patel, a former Indian pacer, joined Delhi Capitals as their bowling coach for the IPL 2025 season. This is his first high-profile coaching role, having previously played for India across formats and been part of the 2011 World Cup winning squad. He replaced James Hopes, who departed after IPL 2024. The IPL's Code of Conduct emphasizes maintaining respect for match officials and discourages public dissent. Patel's fine serves as a reminder to all team officials about the importance of adhering to these standards. The Delhi Capitals have not yet commented on the incident. As the season progresses, the team will be keen to avoid further breaches and focus on improving their performance on the field. KL Rahul is on the brink of making IPL history. The Lucknow Super Giants skipper is just 79 runs away from becoming the fastest player to reach 5,000 runs in the tournament. He's already scored 4,921 runs in just 105 innings, well ahead of Chris Gayle, who took 112. Known for his consistency, Rahul averages over 40 with a strike rate above 140 and has notched up 600+ runs in 3 straight seasons. As a captain, he's also made his mark, becoming the fastest Indian to 2,000 runs in that role. With the IPL 2025 season heating up, all eyes are on Rahul to hit this massive milestone soon. That wraps up today's Cricket Tips Daily News, brought to you by Puntit. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your IPL and PSL updates, and check out the latest odds at cricketips.com. I'm Anya, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.